The Boy Who Planted Dreams. Short moral story. Leo loved planting seeds in his small garden. One day, a traveler gave him a special bag of seeds, saying, "These are dream seeds. Care for them, and they'll grow into something amazing." Leo planted them, watered them daily, and waited patiently. Others laughed, but he kept working. One morning, the seeds sprouted into a beautiful tree with golden fruit, each fruit holding a kind message. People from all over came to read them, inspired to chase their dreams. Moral: like seeds, dreams grow with patience, care, and belief. Hard work today leads to great rewards tomorrow. Thanks for watching.